Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2018 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.